Hey guys, in this video I want to talk about online training. You got all these different variants out there. You have on YouTube lots of individual courses, quick tutorials on how to do this with Django, or how to be a day trader, or how to write an HTML page. Now, these, if the sources are good, these can be good if you have a background in a related field. So for example, if you wanted to learn how to use Python Django to create a Twitter clone, you can find videos out there like that. If you don't know Python, if you don't know HTML, you don't know CSS, you don't understand the web, you don't understand the web stack, you don't understand client server, you don't understand HTTP, this particular tutorial is going to be difficult for you, if not totally useless. You see, all those little individual tutorials that are out there, regardless of subject, they have a function and they are useful if you have a background. So for me, for example, because I'm a highly experienced developer, because I know Python, because I've done all kinds of different types of programming, including high level, system level, etc. If I went to TensorFlow and wanted to learn how to use TensorFlow as an example to do a little bit of machine learning with Python, bing, bang, boom, Bob's your uncle. It ain't that difficult for me because I have the background. That's why I tell people, learn your foundations and you open up the entire world. That's the irony. Young nerdlings or wannabe developers go out there and they figure, if I want to be a developer, I should learn how to build a Twitter clone with X language, or I should learn to build a shopping cart with React or whatever, you know? No. If you have the background first, then you can do that. That's the whole key to this. Now, I'm going to go a little bit outside of code here because I've been seeing a lot of videos pop up in my feed on YouTube about being a day trader in stocks. Now, maybe I should put this on my other, you know what? I'm going to put this on this channel too. My code channel here. Just in case you don't know, I have my code channel. And I also have my business, freelance, entrepreneur, getting a job channel. I've separated out both channels because I feel people are into code. They're going to want to learn code. So I keep the code channel code-centric and technology-centric. And the same thing with the business channel, business-centric and so on. This is kind of a video here that straddles in both worlds. So I'm not sure where I'm going to put it. Anyway, wherever you happen to see it, you'll know where it is. So I've been seeing videos where they're talking about becoming a day trader. And hey, I just made this much money today day trading. You know, trading and timing stocks is, no. Some people rarely make money for some of the time. At the end of the day, when you're doing day-to-day stock trading, that's not investing, that is gambling. It's like betting on the horses, like betting on a boxing match, a football game. Fine, if you want to do that, fine. But the stocks is far more complicated than a football game. It's far more complicated than a boxing match. When you are betting on the stock market, there's so many variables that go into it. So many unknowns. For example, right now as I'm recording this, you have coronavirus broke out and it's causing the market to collapse. Who could have predicted that 30 days ago? Or even a week before it came out, right? That's just unusual circumstances, but this type of stuff happens all the time, either on a macro or micro level. Anyhow, generally speaking, bottom line, most day traders lose money, like something like 90-95% lose money. Point number two, that's point number one. Point number two, if you buy index funds, meaning a piece of the entire market where you just buy and you forget about it and you hold, you are going to outperform 90% of Wall Street wizards, people who work full-time trading stocks, who have all kinds of specialized insider information, even though they're not supposed to, but they do. You're going to beat them 90% of the time. You're going to outperform them doing absolutely nothing. So it's kind of arrogant and foolhardy to think that somehow by you watching some YouTube videos and reading a couple books, you're going to out-trade the professional traders who, that's all they do, that's all they train in, and they have all this advantage which you don't have. It doesn't happen. Again, 90% of day traders and traders lose money. You're much better off when you're investing to buy the index funds, and just forget about it. So yeah, so when I see these videos popping up, that's the point of this particular video, where they say, yeah, we're going to teach you the 3 simple secrets I used to beat the market. Be very, very careful about that. Be very, very careful. Another point number 3. I see videos out there where they say, you can start a business, and by selling these special products on Amazon, you can make a fortune. So let's talk about selling on Amazon. Can you sell on Amazon, make money? Sure. Are you going to make the big fortune? Very unlikely. Why? There's so much competition. When you see a video saying how you're going to sell a pair of socks on Amazon, make a ton of money, or something to that effect, or whatever, take it with a grain of salt, because it's not so easy to do. Doesn't mean don't approach it, but understand that that's a pretty saturated market. You're probably going to make much more money, much more quickly, becoming a freelance web development or web design consultant. Throw in a little social media marketing into that as well, and bing, bang, boom, Bob's your uncle once again. You'll be in a much better position. All right, that's it for today's quick little vlog. Bye-bye.